for this video, I am going to teach you how to export Jira issues to Excel. So the steps are fairly simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your account in Jira. So after logging in, or if you don't have an account yet, just simply create one. So now again, once you have logged into your account, what you need to do first is to go into the project of the issue that you want to export. So in example right here, I have this project, and on this board section or board view, what you need to do is to go to the issue. So it should be situated on the upper part of your screen. And if you don't have the issue as an option, you can just click this project view or add project view and select issues from the options if you have issues. So now once you click into the issues, then you should be able to see all of your issues in your screen. And on this part right here, you'll be able to see the list of your issues. So I have here three. So I have this a simple board for this video. You can just simply select the issue that you want to export as or export to Excel. So I'm just going with the first one. And then once you have done that, what you need to do is to click onto this export issues button situated on the upper left or upper right rather part of your screen, and from the drop down menu you'll have different options. So now if you want to export to Excel, you have these two options right here. So you can export Excel CSV, and if you want to include all fields, select this one, and if you want to include only your defaults, just select this one. So I'm going with my defaults right here, and then that will automatically be downloaded, or my issue will be automatically downloaded in a CSV file or form that I can open up in Excel. So that's basically it. That is how you can export an issue or issues here in Jira to an Excel file. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.